Welcome to wpi.edu/listen, your go-to audio news and podcasts for all things Worcester Polytechnic Institute. After you've listened in, check out our other episodes and dive deep into the exciting news stories shaping the WPI community. Friday, June 20th, 2025. Worcester Polytechnic Institute appoints Daniel Linzell as Dean of Engineering. Nationally recognized University of Nebraska-Lincoln Scholar and NSF Division Director to lead WPI's largest school. Following a nationwide search, Worcester Polytechnic Institute, WPI, has appointed Daniel Linzell as the university's next Bernard M. Gordon Dean of Engineering, effective October 2025. A respected engineering leader, educator, and researcher, Linzell has extensive experience spanning academia, government service, and innovation leadership. He currently serves as Director of the Division of Civil, Mechanical, and Manufacturing Innovation within the National Science Foundation's Directorate for Engineering, where he oversees a $225 million research portfolio advancing infrastructure resilience, advanced manufacturing, robotics, and materials innovation. At the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, UNL, he is also the Associate Dean for Graduate and International Programs in the College of Engineering, the Leslie D. Martin Professor of Civil and Environmental Engineering, and past Chair of the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department. His work at UNL has supported inclusive faculty hiring, strategic international partnerships, and a significant expansion of research funding and student opportunities. Dr. Linzell's remarkable leadership in both higher education and national research strategy makes him uniquely suited to lead our School of Engineering into its next chapter, said WP President Grace Wong. He understands the power of transformative engineering education, interdisciplinary collaboration, inclusive excellence, and the impact that purposeful engineering research and innovation can have on society. Dr. Linzell brings an exceptional combination of scholarly accomplishment, administrative leadership, and national-level perspective to this role, said WPI Senior Vice President of Academic Affairs and Provost Andrew Sears. He is deeply committed to preparing future engineers for global challenges and to fostering impactful research that aligns with WPI's strategic priorities.